Hi everyone, I'm Nishthasna, first year MBBS student at KS Hegde Medical College, Mangalore. And in this video, I'm going to address all the questions related to KS Hegde Medical College, which are important for you all to know before joining the college. So, as you all know, NEET counseling is going to start, and many people search for colleges about colleges. So I thought I should make one video about my college. And in this video I'm going to address all the important questions which are important for you all to know and which I searched when I was searching for colleges. If you have any other questions apart from these, you can DM me on Insta. I'll share the link of my Insta ID in description. And let's start with the questions. The first most asked question is about the fee structure. So fee structure of KSAD Medical College has changed this year. So for the year 2026 to 2027, first year fees is 20,14,500. This is approx. If you want to see the exact, you can go on the Shema website and see there. And this is just the tuition fees. Apart from this, hostel fee is 1,22,000 for the first year, and then 1,02,000 for non-AC rooms, and for AC rooms it's around 2 lakh. Now let's start with the questions related to academics and co-curriculars. So academics here is very good. Personally, I really like the academics of this college, and it's very well structured curriculum. Teaching quality is very good. All the teachers are really approachable, and you can just yeah, this college is a bit strict in terms of academics, but I think that's important for people. So yeah, attendance. Next is attendance. Attendance is also very strict. Next is how is internal assessment conducted. Internal assessments are also conducted very nicely. There are many papers in full year, and then last university paper is also there. So I think internal assessments, there's no problem in internal assessments also. Next is lectures and practicals. Lectures and practicals are also conducted regularly. मतलब कोई चांस ही नहीं है कि कोई टीचर नहीं आएगी तो लेक्चर बंक हो जाएगा या कुछ ऐसा nothing is like that. The teaching is really very good, and I think academics is the best part of this college till now. Next is hospital and clinical exposure. So see, hospital patient flow is really very good जितना हमने देखा है, because in first year you don't have that many hospital visits. We only go hospital like 1 to 2 times, and उसमें भी we don't interact with patients, so we really don't know about that. But what I see, clinical exposure is really very good because patient inflow is good. Next very important question is how is there any linguistic barrier for North Indian people? So see, for first year you will not experience that much linguistic barrier, because in campus teachers, they talk in English. You will have your fellow mates who will talk with you in English, and a few North Indians would be also there. So I don't think you will face any linguistic barrier inside the campus. But when you go out and when you interact with local people, you will face linguistic barrier, because there are Kannada, Tulu language is spoken here, which is difficult for us to learn. But with time, we can learn it. Even I am from Delhi personally, so even I faced linguistic barrier initially when I used to go to family adoption programs. There is one program called family adoption program in first year, so there I used to face difficulty. But gradually, I also understood how to communicate and how we can say. Plus, you will learn by time, and I don't think that will be a much great barrier. So yeah, if you can manage with language, it's good. Next is practical teaching. Yeah, practical teaching is really good. Anatomy dissection, for the first year specifically I'm saying, anatomy dissection, physiology practical, vacuum practicals, everything's happening regularly, and they make sure that you do all practicals nicely. So yeah, there is no point of missing any practical or not learning or doing anything like that. Next is hostel. First is hostel is compulsory option. Hostel is completely compulsory for first year students. From second year it's not compulsory. Next is room. It's single double, so there are double sharing rooms, and the hostel rooms are really very good. If you want, I can give you I'll make one video of the hostel room tour. अभी मेरा hostel room tour दिखाने लायक नहीं है तो मैं नहीं दिखा सकती, but I will definitely make a video of it. But for me personally, the most advantageous thing of this college which attracted me the most was the hostel rooms, because I generally have not seen so good hostel rooms in any college. So I think hostel rooms are really very good. Next is attached bathroom. Yeah, hostel has one attached. There is double sharing room with one attached bathroom, and there is washing laundry facilities, water facilities, everything is provided. Wi-Fi is also provided. Next is hidden expenses. There is no hidden expenses, only the tuition fees and the hostel fees which you have to pay. Next question, which is mostly asked by students, is student life and co-curricular activities. So see, in terms of co-curricular activities, there are ample of sports activities. In first year especially, you'll just have sports activities, sports events. So sports events are very much. But student life, I would say, there is for the first year mainly there is no student life because there are no cultural fairs, medical college fairs, nothing is there in first year. From second year, you'll there are college fest but not that much. So in terms of student life, it's not that great, but yeah, it's good. Next question is clubs. Yeah, there are clubs for each and every activity: dance club, music club, sports club. There are clubs and there are representatives of that club. So clubs are there, but it's just that there are no activities, like there are not that many events in which of use. Safety of and student welfare is really good here. In first year, you will not even be able to interact with your seniors. ऐसा स्ट्रिक्टनेस है इस कॉलेज में. सो रैगिंग की तो कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है. आई डोंट थिंक, काफ़ी रेयरली हमारी ही बैच में किसी की रैगिंग हुई होगी. एंड देयर इज़ नो रैगिंग थिंग हियर. बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन, इफ़ तुम पकड़े गए तो शायद बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन हो सकता है, बट आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज़ नो रैगिंग इन दिस कॉलेज. एंड देयर आर मैनी एंटी रैगिंग कमिटीज, सो no point of ragging. Location and daily life. So KSID Medical College is not situated in Mangalore, it's situated little far from Mangalore, but the student life outside the campus is really good because there are many food outlets. मतलब क्या ही चाहिए बंदे को, खाने पीने का चीज़ चाहिए और सामान का, तो काफ़ी बाहर अच्छा है. एंड इवन मैंगलोर सिटी इज़ ऑल्सो जस्ट 20-25 minutes away from this college. So I think there is no such problem in outside location या daily life. Distance between college and hospital. So distance between the college and the hospital, it's just 1 to 2, it's just 5 minutes of walking, and if you go by auto, it's just 1 to 2 minutes. So next question is, how is the college campus and what all are the facilities? So college campus is really good. It has all facilities which a medical college should have. So there is no tension, like it has library, AC library, then it has digital library, everything is present. So it's nothing like that. Yeah, next is also one question which is mostly asked is about the hostel timings. So for the first year, initially it will be very strict, means I think you'll not be allowed to go out also for the first few months, but after that it's still 8 p.m. for girls, you know, like after half a year it changes. Like for girls it's still 8 p.m. and for boys so it's still 10-11 p.m. So okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any other doubts, DM me on my Insta ID. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. See you in the next one.